Hello, my name is Huy.
My name is Phi.
My name is Tiến.
My name is Minh.
We are from Đảo Duy Tử High School, Vietnam. Today we are going to show you our project. Design of a smart infusion monitoring system for nurses to take care of patients. Overcrowded hospitals are quite common, not only in Vietnam but also around the world, especially during this COVID-19 pandemic. Most patients in the hospital have to use infusion techniques to inject the drugs into the body. There is a common problem for patients if the infusion needle is not taken out in time when the drug is exhausted. This causes pain and health risk conditions for patients.
The reason for this problem is the infusion process takes a long time while the number of nurses is limited. They cannot spend all the time to take care of individual patients. It is necessary to have a smart infusion monitoring device that gives a warning when the infusion is exhausted. However, there are very few such devices on the market because it's only very few manufacturers have this production. To find the solution for this problem, we have designed a smart infusion monitoring system that can connect to smartphone via LAN to monitor and warn when the infusion is exhausted.
About the innovation, this device helps nurses to take care of many patients at the same time to reduce over-hospitalization, help patients to avoid pain when the infusion needle is not removed in time, compact, easy to use, and Wi-Fi connection to smart devices such as smartphones, tablets, or personal computers.
This is a block diagram. The system consists of a router, some module which built in the sensors, and the data collector module. In this project, the router is set at a set point and the ESP8266 is set at a station. So, the router needs to connect it to local network to access the ESP8266. And in configuration, we can access the ESP8266 through local network. And the ESP8266 board that equipped with a sensor for detecting state. It can plug into the infusion portal. The sensor in here will be analyzing the signal from here. It will be plugged into the infusion bottle to monitor fluid level for each patient. If the solution or drug run out or is exhausted, so in here the sensor will be send a signal to the ESP8266 and a microcontroller will be encoded and analyzing to send the data to the data collector. This is a data collector. It's actually an ESP8266. That is a program to build a web server. It's responsible for analyzing equipped signal from thus received from the sensor to display on web page and generate warning sound. And that is the interface of a web page on smartphone. This is list of patients is recorded in this column. At the next column will be marked status of each patient. If the drug solution is full, the cell will be marked OK. If the solution is exhausted, it will be marked urgent. In the case this sensor is not in use, damaged, even is low battery, the cell will be marked null. In the case patient they need helping from nurse, the warning cell will be generated. And thankful that the nurse can come here in time to support the patients.
Unlike other infusion monitoring systems that use infrared sensor, cell, etc., our infusion monitoring system uses a tip-shaped electrode design, and this is the structure of the sensor. It will consist two electrodes and separated by an insulator. If the sensor is immersed in solution, it will act as a resistor. And if the solution runs out, the resistance of the sensor will be extremely large. This is the circuit diagram to detect the solution state, and it's actually a voltage comparator. When the sensor is deep in the solution, the output voltage will be 0. And when the solution runs out or exhausted, the output voltage is high, and the microcontroller will detect that state, then send the signal to the data collector. It's actually a cell-made sensor to increase the accuracy and overcome all the disadvantages of other infusion monitoring systems, such as not measuring with different size or shape of the bottle, requiring a transparency of the solution, or the volume of the solution should not be too large, and the device is very bulky and consumes a lot of energy. Our device design is very compact and consumes less energy, so it can use rechargeable battery for a long time. It's especially helpful in hospital to assist nurse in patient care. In conclusion, we can say that this device can monitor multiple patients at the same time via smartphone. It can alert the patient emergency status to the nurse. Furthermore, it consumes less energy and operates with high accuracy for a long time without charging. It's portable and easy to use, and last, it's comfortable and safe. This is the end of our presentation. Thank you for listening.